The 2026 Great Wall King Kong Cannon pickup will be launched on October 22nd. It will roll off the assembly line at the Jingmen Smart Factory on October 22nd, marking the 100,000th vehicle. This stylish and versatile pickup truck will then be launched. It features a gold-toned powertrain combination consisting of a diesel/gasoline 2.0T engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission/6-speed manual transmission. The diesel engine boasts a maximum torque of 400 Nm, while the gasoline engine boasts a maximum torque of 360 Nm, providing more power for both uphill and downhill driving. With total sales exceeding 1 million units, this engine has solidified its position as China's top pickup truck by offering reliable quality and economic efficiency. Equipped with a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, one of the world's top 10 transmissions with over 10 million units installed worldwide, this vehicle offers stability and reliability. With an efficient response time of 0.3 seconds and 98% transmission efficiency, it delivers smooth gear changes and a comfortable driving experience. Using high-performance oils, this vehicle requires no maintenance for a lifetime, saving you both worry and money. It also features a 1.82-meter flat long box with no bulge. Square boxes and drums can be freely accommodated in the cargo box, reducing the need for 3 transport trips to 2, increasing efficiency by 50%. The flat box model's leaf springs have been increased from 5 to 6, directly increasing its load carrying capacity by 20%, ensuring stable transport, regardless of the load. In terms of detailed design, the new vehicle has been raised by 20 mm, and ground clearance has increased to 236 mm. The chassis has stronger passing ability, and the vehicle's stance is stronger and more coordinated. The low cargo platform design reduces the ground clearance of the cargo box by 10 mm, making transporting goods easier and more time-saving. Its minimum turning radius is just 5.95 meters, best in its class, and it easily handles turns/U-turns in tight road conditions. It also features the only original cargo box lighting in its class. Whether you're loading early in the morning or late at market, it keeps the cargo box clean and bright, making loading and unloading safer and more efficient. It utilizes a high-strength trellis-type body and a wide-section ladder-type chassis. Using 610/510 high-strength steel, the chassis has a maximum longitudinal beam section of 160 by 130 mm and provides an overall torsional rigidity of 180 Nm/rad. Over 98% of the chassis is made of high-strength steel, ensuring both load-carrying performance and safety. The vehicle has undergone 1,728 hours of intensive corrosion testing and 1,000 hours of salt spray testing, guaranteeing a 5-year and 10-year corrosion-free service life. With over 2.8 million users worldwide, the Great Wall pickup has held the top sales ranking for 27 consecutive years.